Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a reproducible case so you can iterate quickly. Run the code that fails and reduce it to the smallest example that still breaks. This isolates variables and removes noise. Once done, record the Python version and environment, then add targeted prints or lightweight logging at function boundaries to observe runtime values. Make sure to run the reduced script repeatedly while changing only one thing at a time so you can see cause and effect clearly. Next, engage interactive tools to understand how state changes. Set breakpoints with PDB or your IDE, then step in, step over, and step out to follow flow. Inspect locals and globals at each pause and call repr on complex objects to reveal hidden attributes. Once paused, try small code tweaks and reevaluate immediately, which tests hypotheses faster than rerunning whole suites. Make sure to examine the full stack trace. Finally, implement the smallest reliable fix and immediately add a unit test that reproduces the bug so it stays fixed. Run the full test suite and monitor for related failures. Add assertions or logging to prevent regressions. If the cause is unclear, bisect your commits to find when the behavior changed, or revert to the last known good commit and reintroduce changes incrementally. One troubleshooting tip: when changes don't help, step back. Rerun the reduced case and reinspect saved state to avoid chasing red herrings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.